Welcome to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Today our topic is coordinate geometry, that is 7th chapter of 10th class. I am discussing only just the key points. Let P be a point. This is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. This is x-axis and y-axis. In the quadrant 1, both x and y are positive. That is x and y are positive in quadrant 1. In quadrant 2, x is negative and y is positive. In quadrant 3, both x and y are negative. And in quadrant 4, y is negative and x is positive. If the point is on the x-axis, it is denoted by x comma 0. And point on y-axis is denoted by 0 comma y, and the center is called as origin. Distance between any two points p x1 y1 and q x2 y2 is pq is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This should be kept in the root. This is the distance between any two points. Now to find the area of the triangle, if x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 are 3 points, are the vertices of it, then the area formula is half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y3. We should remember the order properly. Now slope of the line joining any two points is, that is x1 y1 and x2 y2 is, m is the slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. If theta is the angle made by the line with the x-axis, then the slope is m is equal to tan theta. Now let us move to exercise 7.1. The first question is find the distance between the following points. There are 4 problems given in first question. Let us discuss 2 of them. First one is 2, 3 and 4, 1. In order to get full marks for the question, you need to write the formula for each question, and also when we get the answer, we should write the units also. As we have discussed the formula to find the distance between the 2 points, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This should be in the root. Now substitute the values. Root of x2 value is 4 minus x1 value is 2 whole square plus y2 value is 1, y1 value is 3. Let us solve this. 4 minus 2 is 2 square is 4 plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is all. Minus 2 whole square is also 4. 4 plus 4. Root 8. Root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. This is the answer. But you should write the units also. If you don't write the units, they will cut the marks. You should write the formula for each question. There are 4 bits in this first question. I have told the first one. Second and third, try it yourself. And the fourth question is, let us directly substitute the values instead of writing the formula. Minus a whole square plus minus b whole square. We get this as minus 2a whole square plus minus 2b whole square. We can write this as 4a square plus 4b square. Taking 4 in the common, 4a square plus b square. Taking the 4 out, we write this as 2 of root a square plus b square is the answer. That is the distance between. Now you should write the units. Second question is find the distance between the 2 points 0, 0, 36, 15. 0, 0 is the origin. Now the distance formula changes to, as 1 point is the origin, of the distance formula is x2 square plus y2 square. Directly substituting the values, 36 square plus y2 is 15 square. So 36 square is 1296 plus 15 square is 225. This can be written as, add this, 1521. Root of 1521 is 39 units. Collinear points. Lines should be in a collinear points, light should be in a straight line. Otherwise, sum of the two segments should be equal to the third segments. Let A, B, C be 3 points. If the distance between A and B and C is added, we should get the total distance between AC. That is, AB plus BC should be equal to. Third question is verify whether the points are collinear or not. The points given are 1, 5, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 1. Let the first point be A, second one be B and third one be C. Now we should find the distance between AB, BC and also AC. Now let us find the distance between the point AB by using the distance formula x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. By using the distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is 3 minus 5 whole square. We get the value as root of 1 plus 4, which is equal to root 5. So the distance between the 2 points AB is root 5. Now let us find the points BC distance. Minus 2 of minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 whole square. We get this as 16, that is minus 4 whole square is 16 plus 16. Root of 32. This can be written as 4 root 2. Now find the distance between points A and C by using the formula minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 minus 5 whole square, which is equal to 9 plus 6 square is 36. We get this as root of 45. Here we got the distance between these AB, BC and AC. Here AB plus BC is not equal to AC. That is, sum of the distance of the two segments AB and BC is not equal to AC. So the points are not collinear. A, B, C are not collinear. Fourth question is, check whether 5, minus 2, 6, 4, 7, minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means any two sides should be of equal length. If this is 5 centimeters, this also should be 5 centimeters. Let us name the points. A is 5, minus 2, B is 6, 4 and C is 7, minus 2. Now let us find the distance between AB, BC and also AC. To find the distance between AB, let us use the formula AB. x2 minus x1 is 6 minus 5 whole square plus 4 minus of minus is plus 2 whole square. Keep this in root. We get this as 1 plus 36. So the AB distance is root of 37. BC is equal to root of 7 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 whole square, which is equal to 1 plus 36. We get the value of root 37. BC is root 37. Now let us find the distance of the points AC. Root of 7 minus 5 whole square plus minus 2 plus 2 whole square. Keep this in root. We get this as 7 minus 5 is 2 square plus 0. So we get this as root 4, which is equal to 2. Here AB is equal to BC. That is, two sides are equal. So this is an isosceles triangle. That is, the given points ABC form an isosceles triangle. Before moving to next problem, please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel and also share with your friends. Fifth question is, show that the points A, small a, 0, B, minus small a, 0, C, 0, a root 3 form an equilateral triangle. The condition for the equilateral triangle is all the three sides should be equal. That is, AB should be equal to BC and BC should be equal to AC. That is, all the three sides should be equal to form an equilateral triangle. Now let us find the distance between the points. AB is equal to root of minus A whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square, which is equal to, we get the value as root of 4A square. This can be written as 2A. Now BC distance is root of 0 plus A whole square plus A root 3 minus 0 whole square, which is equal to, we also get this as 2A. Now CA, that is the distance between the points CA is root of 0 minus A whole square plus A root 3 minus 0 whole square, which is equal to root of A square plus 3A square. For this also we get the value as 2A. That is, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. We can write this as ABC form equilateral triangle. Sixth question is, prove that the points minus 7, minus 3, 5, 10, 15, 8, 3, minus 5 are taken in order are the corners of the parallelogram, and also find its area. In a parallelogram, the opposites should be of equal length. That is, AB should be equal to CD and AD should be equal to BC. And the diagonal divides the parallelogram into two equal triangles. Now let us find the distance between the 2 points AB. AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 is 5 minus of minus plus 7 whole square plus 10 plus 3 whole square, which is equal to root of 144 plus 13 square is 169, which is equal to root of 313. That is, the distance between the points A and B is root of 313. Now the opposite side for AB is CD. Now let us find the distance between the points CD, which is equal to root of 144, 169, which is equal to root of 313. AB is equal to CD. Here the opposite sides are equal. Now let us find the distance between the points B and C. That is 15 minus 5 whole square plus 8 minus 10 whole square, which is equal to 100 plus 4. That is root of 104. BC value is root 104 and AD value is also root 104. BC is equal to AD. Here also the opposite sides are equal. So the points A, B, C, D form a parallelogram. Now to find the area of the parallelogram, the diagonal divides the parallelogram into two equal triangles. So area is equal to 2 into triangle ABC area. That is, triangle area is, we know the formula, 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3. By using this formula, substitute the values. 1 by 2 into minus 7 into 10 minus 8 plus 5 into 8 plus 3 plus 15 into minus 3 minus 10. Let us equal minus 14 plus 55 minus 195. On solving this, we get 1 by 2, 154. The area can't be negative. So 154 by 2 square units is the area of the triangle. Now the area of the parallelogram is 2 into area of triangle ABC. 2 into triangle ABC area, which is equal to 2 into 154 by 2, which is equal to 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Area of the parallelogram ABCD is 154 square units. Seventh question is, show that the points minus 4, minus 7, minus 1, 2, 8, 5, 5, 4 taken in order are vertices of a rhombus. Area of the rhombus formula is half into product of the diagonals. The conditions for rhombus is all the four sides should be of equal length and the diagonals should be perpendicular to each other. That is, they should make 90 degrees with each other and they should be of unequal length. That is, AB should be equal to BC should be equal to CD should be equal to AD. Now let us name the 4 points A, B, C, D. Now we should find the distances of AB, BC, CD and AD. AB distance is root of minus 1 plus 4 whole square plus 2 plus 7 whole square, which is equal to 9 plus 81 root 90. This can be written as 3 of root 10. On calculating the distances, we get BC is equal to 3 root 10, CD is 3 root 10 and also AD is equal to 3 root 10. Here all the four sides are equal. Now let us find the distance of the diagonal AC, which is 8 plus 4 whole square plus 5 plus 7 whole square, which is equal to root of 144 plus 5 plus 7 is 12, that is 144, which is equal to root of 288, that is 12 root 2. Now the diagonal BD length is root of 5 plus 1 whole square plus minus 4 minus 2 whole square, which is equal to 36 plus 36. This can be written as 6 root 2. Here AC is not equal to BD. All the four sides are equal and the two diagonals are not equal and both are perpendicular. So ABCD form a rhombus. Now we should find the area. Area is equal to half into D1 into D2. That is, half into D1 value is 12 root 2 into D2 value is 6 root 2. Cancelling this, 36 into 2, which is equal to 72 square unit area of the rhombus given. Eighth question is, name the type of quadrilateral form and give reason. There are 3 questions given in this. Let us skip first one and third one and discuss the second one. The points given are minus 3, 5, 3, 1, 0, 3 and minus 1, minus 4. Let us name the 4 points as A, B, C and D. Now AB distance is root of 3 plus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 5 whole square, which is equal to root of 36 plus 16. This can be written as root of 52 or 2 root 13. By using the distance formula, BC length is found as root 13 and CD length is found as 5 root 2 and AD length is found as root of 85. Here all the four sides are of unequal length. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. In order to find out it is a square or rectangle or parallelogram or trapezium, we need to find some condition. All the four sides are not equal, so this is not a square. Opposite sides are not equal, so this is not a rectangle or either a parallelogram. So let us check for the trapezium. Now the slope of AB is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Substituting the values, 1 minus 5 by 3 plus 3, which is equal to minus 2 by 3. Slope of CD is equal to minus 4 minus 3 by minus 1 minus 0. We get this as minus 7 by minus 1, which is equal to 7. Here AB is not parallel to CD. That is, both the slopes are different. So points A, B, C, D can't form a trapezium. This is a quadrilateral. Please do first and third bit in 8th question. 9th question is find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and -2, 9. Here given point on x-axis. Point on x-axis, let the point be P. We can represent it as the point P on x-axis be x, 0. As the point P is equidistant from point A and B, we can write PA is equal to PB. Now let us find the distance between the points PA. Root of 2 minus x square plus -5 minus 0 whole square, which is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 25, which is equal to root of x square minus 4x plus 29. This is the distance of PA. Now let us find PB, which is equal to root of -2 minus x whole square plus 9 minus 0 whole square, which is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 81, which is equal to root of x square plus 4x plus 85. This is the distance of PB. But the condition is PA should be equal to PB. Now let us equate this. Cancelling the square root. Now solving this, we get minus 4x minus 4x is equal to 85 minus 29. Here x square and x square gets cancelled. So minus 8x is equal to 56. X is equal to minus 7. So the point P is x, 0 is equal to minus 7, 0. This point is equidistant from the given points A and B. 10th question is if the distance between the 2 points x, 7, 1, 15 is 10, find the value of x. Here the distance between the 2 points, let it be A and B, is given as 10. So by using the distance formula, AB is equal to root of 1 minus x whole square plus 15 minus 7 whole square is equal to 10. Root of 1 plus x square minus 2x plus 64 is equal to 10. That is x square minus 2x plus 65 is equal to 10. Now squaring on both sides, that is we get the equation as x square minus 2x minus 35 is equal to 0. Now let us solve this. X square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35 is equal to 0. We get x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 5. So the value of x may be either 7 or minus 5. The question is find the values of y for which the distance between the points P 2, 3 and Q 10, y is 10. Find the values of y. So this is similar to the question number 10. Here also we get two values for y. Now let us discuss the 12th question. 11th question, do it yourself. 12th question is find the radius of the circle whose center is 3, 2 and passes through minus 5, 6. Here given 3, 2 is the center and the circle passes through B minus 5, 6 and we should find the radius. So AB becomes the radius because the distance between the center and the point on the circle becomes the radius. So AB is equal to radius. If we find the distance between the 2 points AB, the radius is found. AB is equal to, radius is equal to minus 5, minus 3 whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square, which is equal to 64. That is 8 square is 64 plus 4 square is 16. 16 plus 64 is root of 80. This can be written as 4 root 5 units. This is the radius of the circle. 13th question is can you draw a triangle with the vertices 1, 5, 5, 8, 13, 14. Give reason. Now let us find the distance between these 3 points. AB is equal to root of 5 minus 1 whole square plus 8 minus 5 whole square, which is equal to root of 16 plus 9, which is equal to 25. That is 5. BC is equal to root of 13 minus 5 whole square plus 14 minus 8 whole square, which is equal to root of 64 plus 36. Root 100 is 10. AC value is root of 13 minus 1 whole square plus 14 minus 5 whole square, which is equal to root of 144 plus 81, which is equal to root of 225, that is 15. Hence we got AC is equal to AB plus BC. That is the 3 points are collinear. So these 3 points doesn't form a triangle. We can say 2 reasons. As these 3 points A, B, C are collinear, they doesn't form a triangle. Another reason is the sum of any 2 sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side. That is AB plus BC should be greater than AC. But here it is equal to AC. So this doesn't form a triangle. 14th question. Find the relation between x and y such that the points x comma y is equidistant from the points minus 2 comma 8, minus 3 comma minus 5. Now let the point be P, x comma y, A is minus 2 comma 8 and B is minus 3 comma minus 5. As given, these are equidistant from the point P, that is PA should be equal to PB. Now let us find PA. PA is equal to x2 minus x1, that is x minus of minus, x minus of minus is plus y minus 8 whole square, which is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square plus 64 minus 16y. This can be written as x square plus y square plus 4x minus 16y plus 68, that is adding the constants. Now let us find PB, that is x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. We got PA and PB. Now let us equate PA is equal to PB. After equating this both roots get cancelled. This can be written as squaring on both sides, both the roots get cancelled. Now moving all the variable parts to left side and constants to right side, 34 minus 68. On solving this, we get minus 2x minus 26y is equal to minus 34. Dividing it with 2, we get x plus 13y is equal to 70. This is the required relation. 15th question is, in a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the points A, B, C, D as shown in the figure. Zarina and Funny walk into the class and after observing for a few minutes, Zarina asks Funny, don't you notice that A, B, C, D is square? Funny disagrees. Using distance formula, decide who is correct and why. See the figure here. According to the figure given in the question, the points we get are A 3, 4, B is 6, 7, C is 9, 4 and D is 6, 1. Now we should find the distance of each side. AB 6 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square. That is 9. 3 square plus 3 square. That is 9 plus 9 is 18. This can be written as 3 root 2. And we get the value of BC as 3 root 2. CD is equal to 3 root 2. And AD value is also 3 root 2. That is AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. That is all the 4 sides are equal. Now let us find the length of the diagonals AC. 9 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 square is 36. AC is equal to 6. And now BD is equal to root of 6 minus 6 whole square plus 1 minus 7 whole square, which is equal to root 36. BD value is also 6. We can write this as AC is equal to BD. Here all the sides are equal and both the diagonals are equal. So the conditions for a square is satisfied. ABCD is a square. Zarina is correct. If you like my explanation, please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel and also share with your friends. 16th question is, find a relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from the points 7, 1 and 3, 5. This is similar to the question number 14. Do it yourself.